Welcome to the AI Bros. I'm Derek, and today we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of smart passive income. Whether you're a beginner trying to crack the code of online earning or a seasoned marketer looking for a fresh edge, this step-by-step guide will revolutionize how you approach affiliate marketing. In this video, I'll walk you through my method to create a profitable affiliate marketing business using AI-powered tools, all for free. Yes, you heard that right. This blueprint is entirely replicable without any upfront costs. So grab your notebook because you'll want to remember every detail. Before we jump into the specifics, let's talk about why affiliate marketing works, especially when paired with AI. Affiliate marketing eliminates the need for a physical product, inventory, or complex logistics. Instead, you earn commissions by promoting other businesses and driving traffic to them. Now, combine that with AI tools like Zagio, and you can automate tedious tasks, optimize content for search engines effortlessly, scale your business faster than traditional methods. It's the ultimate recipe for success. And the best part? You can start today with little to no experience. Step 1. Finding your perfect niche. The first step in building your passive income empire is choosing the right niche. Here's how I did it. 1. Analyze market potential. Using Zagio's Niche Hunter, I analyzed various markets in Texas and zeroed in on the roofing niche in El Paso. Why? Because it had high search volumes and enough competition to indicate demand without being overly saturated. 2. Focus on local markets. Instead of targeting broad, highly competitive areas like counties or states, I chose specific neighborhoods and smaller cities. Localized targeting is easier to rank for and more cost-effective. Pro tip: look for niches that solve specific problems. For example, homeowners searching for roofing services often need urgent solutions, making them highly likely to convert. Next, I secured an exact match domain, EMD, which aligns perfectly with the primary search term. For El Paso, I chose elpasotxroofing.com. If a .com domain isn't available, go for .net or .org alternatives. Step 2. Setting up your website. With your niche and domain ready, it's time to build the foundation of your online business. Here's how. 1. Hosting and WordPress setup. Purchase hosting from DreamHost, a reliable platform with excellent customer support. Connect your domain to DreamHost, update DNS settings, and install WordPress. 2. Install Zagio. Download the Zagio plugin from your dashboard. Upload it to your WordPress site by navigating to plugins, add new, upload. 3. Use the project planner wizard. Input your target area, El Paso, and business type, roofing. Run multiple campaigns to identify the best keyword clusters for your site. Pro tip: focus on transactional keywords such as roof repair El Paso or roof installation TX, as these are most likely to convert into leads. Step 3. Optimizing your content with AI. Now that your site is live, it's time to fill it with high-quality, optimized content. Here's where Zagio's AI tools shine. 1. Keyword clustering. Use Zagio to group related keywords based on search intent. For example, I created 4 pages targeting transactional keywords, each with a specific focus. For example, roof repair, roof replacement, etc. For my El Paso roofing site, the AI generated SEO-optimized titles, descriptions, and copy in minutes. 3. Schema markup. Use the schema wizard to create structured data for your site. Fill in every detail, from business name to location, and generate the schema for each page. This boosts visibility in search engine results. It's the ultimate recipe for success. Step 4. Designing a user-friendly website. A visually appealing and easy-to-navigate website is key to converting visitors into leads. Here's how I design my site. 1. Choose a theme. Zagio offers themes tailored to various niches. I selected one specifically for roofing and customized it with relevant images and branding. 2. Add contact information. Use the Visita plugin to display your phone number prominently on every page. This encourages visitors to reach out directly. 3. Optimize for mobile. Ensure your site is mobile friendly, as a significant portion of traffic comes from smartphones. Step 5. Monetizing with pay-per-call affiliate marketing. This is where your hard work starts paying off. Pay-per-call. Affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative and passive ways to monetize your site. Here's how to set it up. 1. Join an affiliate network. Platforms like OfferVault list affiliate programs across various niches. I partnered with LeadSmart, which offers fair commissions and excellent support. 2. Set up a tracking number. Use Ringba to create a unique tracking phone number for your site. This ensures that every call is recorded and credited to you. 3. Promote your site. Leverage SEO, local ads, and social media to drive traffic to your website. Pro tip: test different campaigns to find the best performing keywords and refine your strategy over time. Step 6. Scaling your business. Once your site starts generating calls and income, it's time to scale up. 1. Expand to new niches. Use Zagio's Niche Hunter to identify additional markets with high potential. For example, you could target plumbing, HVAC, or other home services. 2. Replicate the process. Build more websites using the same steps outlined here. Each new site becomes an additional income stream. 3. Automate updates. Also, I'm going to create the content with Zagio's AI. I will use a persuasive and friendly writing tone and click on generate, and in a minute, I got the content. Zagio has a Chrome add-in that's very cool. You can find it in your Zagio dashboard resources. Once you download and install the Chrome extension and enable it, you can go to your competitor websites, audience feedback, and success stories. Our audience has been raving about this method. Here's what some of you have said: "This is a game changer. I'm already setting up my first site following your steps. I've tried other methods, but this one is by far the most straightforward and effective. I'm interested in a done-for-you service." Can the AI bros help with that? Your success stories inspire us to keep sharing these insights. Keep the feedback coming in the comments. Common questions answered. 1. Is this method really free to start? Yes. Many tools like WordPress and Zagio offer free versions or trials. Domain registration and hosting are affordable and essential investments. 2. How long does it take to see results? With proper optimization, you can start generating traffic within weeks and see conversions shortly after. 3. Can beginners follow this method? Absolutely. This guide is designed for beginners and experienced marketers alike. Final thoughts: your path to passive income starts here. Affiliate marketing powered by AI is a revolutionary way to build a sustainable passive income. By following these steps, you can create a profitable online business with minimal effort and investment. So, are you ready to take the first step toward financial freedom? Start by replicating the method outlined in this video. And if you'd like a done-for-you service from the AI Bros team, let us know in the comments below. Visit go.matpar.com for more information. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the AI Bros for more game-changing insights. Until next time, stay innovative and keep building your dreams.